All right, how about a few hints about the Chapter 4 assignment? Not all the problems, but some of them, especially the ones that are problem solving. This will go pretty quickly, so don't forget to click on the pause to solve a problem after you get some hints. So one of our main formulas is velocity is distance divided by time. Uh, the main thing I want to include here is units. Remember, everyone, show your math work for each one of these, including units. Number 30. Again, you're going to use velocity equals distance divided by time. However, this time we're solving for the distance, so no reason we can't use the velocity times time. Multiplying by time gives us this. Note, the velocity is measured in meters per second. Well, when you do this, the seconds cancel. As you might expect, if this is going to be a distance or a displacement, we should get meters. And that's how that works. Let's take a look at number 33. The main theme of this unit regarding problem solving is to write the list of the knowns and unknowns. In number 33, we don't know what the acceleration is. We've got a beginning velocity, which we call v1, of 10 kilometers an hour, an ending velocity of 50 kilometers an hour, and a time of 10 seconds. The only formula that fits that perfectly, since we wish to solve for acceleration, is v2 minus v1 divided by t. So when you put this in, the numerator will have kilometers per hour. The denominator will have seconds. And that gives a unit that sounds strange of kilometers per hour per second. But that's an okay unit. There's nothing wrong with it, and actually gives you a piece of information that it tells you how much you're increasing your velocity every single second. And that's fine. That's number 33. Let's look at number 36. So again, and I'm going to continue with this theme, write the list of the knowns and the unknowns. Here, we don't know the final velocity, but we do know the beginning velocity because it starts at rest. Every time it starts at rest, you list a v1, beginning velocity of 0. They tell you the acceleration is 2 meters per second squared, and the time is 10 seconds. So search your list of formulas that I gave you for the formula that has those four, and one of them that's very special is the v2 equals acceleration times time plus v1. Then the mathematics is not that difficult. Number 39 is about falling objects. If an object is falling, it always has an acceleration on Earth of 9.8 meters per second squared. So if you know it's falling, then it's 9.8 meters per second squared. Of course, if you're tossing it upward and it's slowing, that might be negative. However, it's positive because it's dropping. When you drop something, or if you just step off of something, the beginning velocity is 0. It won't say so in the problem. You just have to interpret that. We don't know the ending velocity, and the time is given. Same formula as before to apply in number 39. Number 40. Again, a dropping object, 9.8. Again, same velocity that begins with. And in fact, the same time, this time we don't know the displacement. So you need to search for a formula that has those four. Now, the formula that I like best that has those four would be d equals v1 times t plus 1/2 at squared. Notice, only the t is squared in that formula. And that's some help about number 40. Number 42 is one of these thought questions, and I'll just give you a little hint. It is asking about the acceleration, so think about what the acceleration formula is as you answer the thought question. Number 51, you've got the beginning velocity of 15, the ending velocity of 25, and the time is 4. The acceleration is what you're solving for. Well, certainly you want the formula that has acceleration. And one final one I'd like to help you with is similar to one we just did. It starts at rest, so v1 is 0. On this distant planet, 20 meters per second squared is the acceleration. The time is 1.8. The d is the question mark. The formula that has just those four. Remember, one of the most important things is to write down the unknown as a question mark. And that would be d equals v1t plus 1/2 at squared. I hope that helped.